おたくさん好きですね。難しいね。こう、私は一番好きです。これI think this is very beautiful pictures. You can say beautiful, but because it is not kawaii, it's very beautiful. It have some moves in there, and I think why I really like this one, because this underwear, small underwear, is my friends only make for me and make in the right now, because like when we took these pictures and then he just make this underwear for me right away. So it's really interesting, and it's kind of like a little bit shy because this first one is first outfit for the 写真集. So it's kind of nervous because I need to get like half naked, so it's kind of like shy. But because the photographer and me, we are very good tomodachi, so after this one, and we just become very smooth. So I think it's very beautiful. I'm going to sleep. Yeah, this is the first one. これは I put here. Oh, second one. That one. This. はい。これはかわいい。So, I think this one is very kawaii and can show different side of me. The first one is very beautiful and they have some mood, and this one just happy. Otomoshi. Otomoshi. なんで happy です。Happy is 面白い? 面白い is interesting, right? I think it's really cute. And when we took these pictures, I was really happy in that time because after this one, we're going to shower. Like after this one, it's kind of like these pictures. So, and the photographer told me, you gotta make a. You need to see the camera like you boyfriends, and I need to talk to the camera. So when we take this shot, it's very interesting because I really imagine the camera is my boyfriend, and I smell with him and I talk to him. Yeah, it's really have fun with this one, this outfit. Ole, second one, right? The third one, I think that one. Because I have a unforgettable story about this outfit. When we take these pictures, it's really unforgettable. Because you don't want to know why? Because did you see the picture? I was half in the seat, and I don't know what's happened when we go in, and suddenly I saw my leg bleeding. The blood is coming out. I was like, oh my god, what's happened? Maybe some like corals, some corals or some stone. I don't know what something hurt me in the leg, so that's why you can see my leg is hurt. Do you want to see the scar? Actually, I get a scar. Ima wa still here. I gotta show you guys here. That scar. So then it's very unforgettable experience. I thought maybe I can make some moments next time. So yeah, I get hurt, but I think it's very beautiful because we get the zigzag, right? I really like this one. It's very sexy. I like it. So I hope you guys can enjoy my pictures because they are all takusan 写真. Wow, all about me, and I can show different side of me. たくさん ありますよ。